It all began in 2010 with backyard donation-based yoga tastings in Van Nuys, California. I was inspired by deeper life perspective and improved well-being through daily yoga amid difficult times, driven to share these life-changing gifts that anyone could access within them. Long story short, Root to Rise Yoga was born, and the adventure ensued. Diverse beings from all walks of life coming together to enjoy being in their bodies, connecting with Mother Earth, and evolving in perspective. The inspiration continues. Rooted in your pure nature, love, rise, and well-being and consciousness. I hope you'll accept a simple but wholehearted thank you from me, Michelle Chua. That is a free yoga class on August 20 at 6 p.m. on Zoom to celebrate our 10-year community anniversary.